Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Alright, Huawei's new flagship camera phone, the Pure 90, has officially arrived. So let's jump straight into a quick unboxing.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
We'll start with the Pure 90 Pro. Right away, the color options on these Huawei devices really stand out. They're bold, lively, and definitely eye-catching. This particular Pure 90 Pro comes in a shade that looks a lot like orange soda, giving it a bright, summery vibe. It features a gradient finish too, with a deeper tone at the top that fades into a lighter shade toward the bottom. The camera module sticks with Huawei's signature triangular layout, which has now become part of their recognizable design language. Around the edges, the frame has a sleek metallic feel, and up front, you're getting a flat display. Inside the box, the accessories are pretty standard: a clear protective case and a 66-watt Type-C charger. Still, having a Type-C port is always a plus for convenience. Now let's shift our attention to the bigger model. This is the Pure 90 Pro Max in the orange ocean color. It also carries a gradient design, but this time it blends a cool sea blue tone at the top into a warm orange at the bottom. The overall effect is quite striking. Even the frame follows this gradient style, which tells you the manufacturing process behind it isn't simple at all. Huawei actually introduced a similar gradient concept back with the P20 series, and ever since then, the P series has leaned into a more fashion-forward direction. Every year brings a fresh new look, and this orange sea theme definitely continues that trend. Paired with the system UI, you'll notice the theme colors match the phone's exterior, creating a really cohesive visual experience across the device. Of course, this is Huawei's top-tier camera phone, so the camera setup has seen some serious upgrades. The telephoto lens now uses a 200-megapixel sensor, which is a big step forward. On top of that, it finally includes the much-anticipated telephoto macro solution. Huawei had actually worked with Tektronix on a similar concept with the Pure 80 last year, but it never made it to mass production, so it's interesting to see it fully realized here. Taking a look at the included case, the back has a leather-like texture, while the section around the camera module uses metal. Even the lower grip area is metal, giving it a premium feel. The phone's back panel follows a similar material style. As for the camera attachment, that chunky lens setup starts with an adapter ring. It locks into place from the side very securely, with no looseness at all. The grip contains a built-in battery and attaches using a clip mechanism. And on top of that, you're getting a 3.33x extender, which adds even more flexibility to the camera system. Now, taking a closer look at the back interface, this is how it's designed. There's an additional structure underneath, and this smaller section usually slides to the side. But once you attach the lens, wow, it locks in incredibly tight. It feels extremely solid, with zero wobble at all. Honestly, among the extenders available right now, this might be one of the most secure setups out there. Huawei has positioned the extender on the lower lens, which actually makes the grip feel much more natural and hand. With that telephoto extender in place, you're instantly getting a 13.5x zoom, and it doesn't stop there. It can push further to 27x, 54x, and even 108x. At the very top end, it reaches a massive 216x zoom, which is pretty wild. Let's try it out on that flower by the window. Shooting at 13.5x is effortless, and 27x still looks great. Since the telephoto camera uses a 200-megapixel sensor, zooming in for detailed shots feels smooth and reliable. Even at 54x, the image still holds impressive clarity. The lighting here wasn't ideal since the lights were off, but even then, the results are quite strong. Overall, the camera quality on the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max has clearly taken a big step forward. With this kind of telephoto capability, you can easily capture subjects from far away, like shooting at a concert, without worrying about losing detail. By the way, recently I experimented with 3D printing and made a custom phone case that actually embeds the phone inside, giving it a camera-like appearance. It turned out pretty cool. I might try the same idea with the Pura 90 Pro Max by calculating its dimensions and printing a new case to see how it performs. Both the Pura 90 Pro and the Pura 90 Pro Max also come with an X-MAGE selfie mode that automatically suggests different filter styles, which is really handy. Another feature worth mentioning is the AI pose recommendation. It uses a guide with lines to help you adjust your posture while taking photos, making your shots look more natural and polished. Huawei has clearly invested a lot into AI-powered photography, and it really shows. We'll keep testing these two devices, so stay tuned for more. If you've got any questions or want us to try something specific, drop a comment below. And just to wrap things up, the base variant of the Huawei Pura 90 Max starts at 64.99 yuan in China, which is roughly 705 pounds in the UK and about 953 US dollars. See you in the full in-depth review. Bye!